Ever been in a situation where you needed to send money to a friend, but you were completely offline? No Wi-Fi, no cell service, and suddenly that concert ticket you owe them feels impossible to pay. You might be thinking, can I even open a Venmo account without the internet? The short answer is, no, you cannot open a Venmo account offline. Venmo, like many other popular mobile payment apps, heavily relies on internet connectivity for its core functions. Here's why. Account creation. The initial account setup requires you to provide personal information, verify your identity, and link your bank account or debit card. All of these steps involve online data transfer and verification. Transaction processing. Every Venmo transaction, whether sending or receiving money, needs to be processed through their online servers. This ensures secure funds transfer and records all activity within the app. App functionality. Venmo is essentially a mobile app. It requires an internet connection to function properly, allowing you to view your balance, make payments, and access your transaction history. While opening a Venmo account offline isn't possible, there are a few alternative methods for sending money when you're disconnected. Cash, the most straightforward and classic solution. Simply hand them the cash in person. Check. If you have access to a checkbook, you can write them a check. This might take a few business days to clear. Money order. Similar to a check, a money order can be purchased at a post office or convenience store and then given to the recipient. Peer-to-peer, P2P, apps with offline features. Some P2P apps may offer limited offline functionality, such as storing transaction information for processing later when an internet connection is available. However, this is not a common feature. Let's delve deeper into why Venmo is so reliant on the internet. Security. Online transactions are heavily encrypted to protect user data and prevent fraud. This encryption relies on strong internet connections. Real-time updates. Venmo provides real-time updates on transaction statuses, ensuring both the sender and receiver are aware of the transaction's progress. This requires a constant connection to their servers. Customer support. If any issues arise during a transaction, users can easily contact Venmo's customer support through the app or their website, which both require an internet connection. While you can't open a Venmo account offline, here are some tips for minimizing the impact of limited internet access. Download offline maps. If you're traveling or anticipate being in areas with limited connectivity, download offline maps of your destination using apps like Google Maps or Apple Maps. Utilize mobile hotspots. Consider purchasing a portable Wi-Fi hotspot device for on-the-go internet access. Find free Wi-Fi. Look for free Wi-Fi hotspots at coffee shops, libraries, and public spaces. Inform contacts. Let your friends and family know in advance if you'll have limited internet access so they can make alternative arrangements for payments. While Venmo currently relies heavily on internet connectivity, the future of mobile payments may see advancements in offline capabilities. Decentralized technologies. Technologies like blockchain and cryptocurrency are exploring decentralized systems that could facilitate offline transactions. Near-field communication, NFC technology, used in contactless payments, could potentially evolve to enable offline transactions with certain limitations. Addressing common concerns. What if I lose my phone? If you lose your phone, you can typically deactivate your Venmo account remotely through another device or by contacting Venmo customer support. However, it's always a good practice to enable two-factor authentication for added security. What if there's a network outage? While network outages can disrupt online transactions, most major payment processors have backup systems in place to minimize downtime. In conclusion, opening a Venmo account offline is not currently possible due to the app's reliance on internet connectivity for its core functions. While this might seem limiting in some situations, alternative methods for sending money, such as cash and checks, remain readily available. As technology continues to evolve, we may see advancements in mobile payment solutions that offer greater offline capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.